Hello everyone. In this video, let's discuss how to remove all adjacent duplicates in string. You are given a string S consisting of lowercase English alphabets. A duplicate removal consists of choosing two adjacent and equal letters and removing them. We repeatedly make duplicate removals on S until we no longer can. Return the final string after all such duplicate removals have been made. It can be proven that the answer is unique. Let's take the example 1. So here they are given the string as ABBACA. So the output is CA. Let's see how come we have got the output value as CA. For example, in the string ABBACA, we could remove BB, which is adjacent duplicates. So BB, since the letters are adjacent and equal, and this is the only possible move. So after removing BB, the resultant output of the string will be AACA. So here we have got AA as adjacent duplicates. I can remove the string AA and then we have got the string as CA. So here we don't have any adjacent duplicates, so the output is CA. Let's go for the second example, that is AZXXZY. So here what they have done, AZXXZY. So here the duplicates are XX, so I'll remove that XX. So here the output will be AZZY. So here we have got adjacent duplicates again. So the string will be AZ. So the output is AY. So the output is AY. Now let's discuss the logic to solve this particular question. Okay. So here I have taken a string. Let me write the program parallelly. Public. Here I have to return the string. String is the return type. So remove duplicates is the method name. I'm going to pass string as my argument. Okay. I'm going to take a variable and I'm going to declare it as index because we have to remove the character, right? So I'll give the index value as -1 because we have to start from 0, but still I initialize it -1. We'll increment the value and then I'll check the character. Now I'm going to convert the string to character array because if it is a character array, we can iterate faster when compared with string. So I'll convert the string into character array. Ch equal to s dot to char array. Okay, so I've converted the given string into character array. Now I'll take for each loop for iterating the characters because we have to iterate one by one. So I'll be using for each loop char c colon ch. Fine. Now what I'm going to do is I have to check the condition. So what is the condition I'm going to check is if the index value is greater than or equal to 0, I can check the condition. So here index value is -1, we have initialized. When the index value is negative, I cannot do anything. So if I'm checking the condition, if index value is greater than or equal to 0 and ch of index is equal to the current iterated character. So here check what is the index value. Index value is -1, so I'll give index. So here index value is -1. I have initialized this -1. Check the condition. -1 greater than or equal to 0, condition becomes false. So I'll not go inside the if condition. I'll just go to the else part. In the else part, what I'm going to do is ch of ++ index. In this place, I'll be assigning the character C. So here, this is my first character I'll be iterating. Okay. In for each loop, I'll be getting the character called A. Index value is -1. -1 greater than or equal to 0, condition becomes false. So I'll go for else part. In ch of index ++. So index value is -1. So here, currently index will be pointing to this particular place. 0. On ch of 0, index value will be incremented, right? On ch of 0, I'm going to assign the character C. So here I've got the character called A, that will be assigned here. Now I'll go for the next iteration. In the for each loop, I'll be pointing the character called B. Now I'm checking index greater than or equal to 0, 0 greater than or equal to 0, condition is true, and ch of index. So index value is 0. So ch of 0, I have the value called A. Okay, A equal to B. No, condition is not true. So I'll not go inside the if condition. I'll go to the else part. I'll increment my index value. So index value will be incremented by 1. So index value is 1. I'll come to this index value. Here I'm going to assign the character C. So C is having the character called B. B will be assigned here. Fine. Next, I'll go for the next iteration. When I go for the next iteration, I'll be on the character called B. C will be having the character called B. Now check index will be greater than 0. Yes, 1 is greater than or equal to 0. Condition true. And ch of index. Index is pointing to the value called B. That is index value 1. So ch of 1 is having the character called B. B equal to this character B. Yes, both are equal. So B and B are compared because ch of index equal to C. C is having the character called B. So both are equal. When both are equal, what I have to do is just decrement the end value. Don't do anything. Just decrement my end value. So end value will be decremented by 1. So from 1 it becomes 0. Now go for the next iteration of my for loop. So when I go for the next iteration, I'll be on the character called A. Now index is pointing to the index value called 0. Check the condition. 0 greater than or equal to 0. Yes, condition is true. And ch of 0. Ch of 0 I have the character called A. In the for loop iteration I've got the character called A. Both are equal. If both are equal, what I have to do? Decrement my index value. So it is not end, it is index. Decrement my index value. So index value becomes -1. Then go for the next iteration of my for loop. Is this. I have got the character called C. Fine. Check the index value. -1 greater than or equal to 0. Condition becomes false. So I'll increment my index value from -1 to 0. Okay. On the index value 0, I'll be storing the character called C. This C will be stored here. Then I'll go for the next iteration of my for loop. So when I go for the next iteration of my for loop, here I have got the character called A. Check the index value 0 greater than or equal to 0. Yes, 0 is greater than or equal to 0. Ch of index. So in ch of index, I have the character called C. Here I have got the character called A. C and A are equal? No, it is not equal. So I'll increment my index value from 0 to 1. On the index value 1, I'll be storing the character called A. That's all. I'll come out of the for loop. After coming out of the for loop, I have to return it as a string. So I have to convert into string. So string dot value of ch comma 0 comma end plus 1, because whenever we are finding a substring, last index value will not be considered, but in this case, in this case the last index value has to be considered. So I'll give index plus 1. So 1 plus 1 2, which is from 0 to 2 I have to iterate. From 0 to 2, in the sense from 0 to 1 only it will be taking. It will be returning the substring called CA. So CA is the output value. Let's try to implement it as a program here. So first I have to declare a variable called index. I'll initialize the value as -1. I'll take a character array. Okay. Yes. Dot to char array. Fine. Now I'll take a for loop for character C dot ch. Now what I have to check one condition. The condition I'm going to check is if index value is greater than or equal to 0 and ch of index is equal to the character which I have iterated in the for loop. If both are equal, I'll just decrement my index value. Else the character will be assigned. So in ch of, first I have to increment the index value and then I have to assign the character. That's all. Finally what I have to do, I have to return. While returning I have to convert it into string. Okay, and then I have to fetch the substring from the given character array. So here I'll give character ch 0 comma index plus 1. That's all. Let's run the code now. Okay, there is an error in this line. We'll check what is error. Okay, this is not capital, it should be small. This is the error. Yes, it passes the test cases. Let's submit the code. Yes, it passes all the test cases. That's all.